Hi, it's Bruce King here. Do you ever feel a bit stuck, demotivated, and feel you could be doing much better, but maybe lack the inspiration or even lack the confidence to move forward? Here's a really simple exercise for you to carry out which will inspire you to achieve much greater success. I want you to prepare a card about the same size as your business card, and which I want you to carry around in your wallet, purse or handbag at all times. But before you make this card, I want you to think about the following two questions first. 1. Ask yourself, what are my 5 major goals for the next 12 months? And 2, since you left school and started working, what are the 5 things I have achieved I am most proud of? Take as long as you need to answer them as precisely as possible. When you've done that, write or print on each side of the card like this. Now here's why this is so important and effective. First of all, you may not have given sufficient time and attention to goal setting. And without clearly defined and written down goals, you cannot possibly achieve the success you want. Put another way, if you don't know where you want to go, how can you possibly plan your journey, and how will you ever know when you've arrived? And secondly, when you're feeling uninspired and finding it hard to move onwards and upwards, it's so easy to forget some of your greatest achievements, and you need to remind yourself. So prepare that card, keep it in your wallet, purse or handbag, and take it out and read it at least 3 times a day. Do whatever you need to do to remind yourself. Maybe set up an alarm on your cell phone. Whatever it takes. What reading your success card does is to drive powerful, inspiring messages into your brain, your conscious and unconscious mind, that stimulates your brain's activity to go out and achieve those goals, and knowing that you have already achieved great things in the past. This won't take you long to do each day, just a few minutes, and the impact on you will grow in effectiveness daily. And what's more, I can absolutely guarantee you will start to feel the positive effects of this almost immediately. I told you it was simple, you just have to do it. So will you? Go on then.